So I want to tell you guys about this first absolutely crazy story. So I read this article not too long ago that a guy had contracted with the homeowner to replace a roof after storm damage. Well, they went through the insurance process, and guess what? The insurance company didn't pay his entire bill, from what I understand in this article, and the woman couldn't come up with the rest of the money. And the contractor got completely twisted about it, I guess would be one expression. He was pretty upset. So he told the lady, if you don't pay, I am going to take back that roof I installed on your home. And guess what? Yep. One day she comes home because she couldn't pay for it, the rest of the balance, and boom, she came home, no roof. If you think that I'm making this up, I'm going to go ahead and attach the article down below. But you got to read it. This contractor literally took back the roof that he installed because nobody was paying him for it. So this is the crazy stuff I'm telling you about. So they had all kinds of water damage to their home because it rained and everything else while they were away. So pretty bad day for that homeowner, unfortunately. And a bad day for the contractor who didn't get paid either. So that's one of my stories, so got to share more. Take care.